1987 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS Aerocoupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car, just 71,763 on the odometer at the moment. 5 liter or 305 cubic inch, small block underneath hood. Power steering, power brakes, AC, automatic transmission. 204R automatic with overdrive to be exact. Dark burgundy is the color of this, the maple interior. You can see paint has a nice shine to it. If you want to check out the still pictures, you'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. Car from every angle. Probably close to 100 pictures online at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct Monte Carlo wheels. Eldorado radial tires. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. As you can see, it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Can you find an imperfection here or there on it? Absolutely. It's a 1987. Coming up on, what are we looking at? 40 years old. But extremely nice shape. One of those cars, get in, turn the key, and go. We're going to get into some of the maintenance items that have been done on this recently. Sorry about the focus there. Once in a while on these real bright burgundy red ones, wants to search on the focus a little bit. There you can see the interior. So stock interior again, maple, cloth bucket seats, center console, AM/FM cassette. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer. Take a peek underneath the hood, start it up, let you hear it run, and if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive. As you can see, dual exhaust, and it does have complete exhaust with catalytic converter. So we get a look at the rear of the car, and then of course the Aerocoupe. Kind of domed rear glass, tinted, electric to fog. Once again, all the still pictures of this car, uniqueclassiccars.com. All right, a few notes on this. Wipers work as well as that AM/FM cassette player. Radio works. Does have a new battery, new trunk struts for the trunk lid holding it up, new front sway bar bushings. Brakes are 80% in the front remaining and like new in the rear. Tires do show their age some. They're date coded 2006 in the front, 2008 on the rear. Complete exhaust, like I said, catalytic converter, but there is a small hole in the left muffler. We'll start it up and see how it sounds. It's not bad at all. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Tell you what, if you like Monte Carlos, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. And as you can see, no major nicks, dings, scratches down this driver's side. Paint, nice shine to it, as you can see the reflection in the said paint. Let's take a look at this interior. Door panels, nice shape, power windows. It's a little bit of fading up on the top of the door panel, but not bad at all. Seats, extremely nice shape. Now, this is one of those colors where if I step back, and let me fix the seat belt too, this retracts correctly. I just had the seats forward so I could take pictures of the rear, so seatbelt retracts correctly. All right, if I step away, right there, that is the true color of that interior, front and rear. The problem is if I get right up on top of it, it wants to wash it out, and that's just camera playing tricks on us. There is the correct color of the interior. You've seen me display that before. If you've watched the videos, there's certain colors that do it worse than others. Tilt column, cruise control. Focus on the exact mile, 71763. There it is. Let's go ahead and fire this up. You can see the tachometer working. Voltmeter. Fuel gauge. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. Top of the dash. Good shape.
And you win some tickets. A 4-pack of tickets.
Yeah, and it's going to be just a great.
Radio working. Idle down. Headliner's good. Kind of that era that once in a while you see those sagging. Headliner is good. Let's listen. Sounds like a stock Monte SS to me. Nice sounding car there. You can hear the AC compressor kick on and off. AC is blowing cold, and it does have a new compressor and accumulator, FYI. All right, let me pause this a second. We're going to pop this hood, check out that engine bay. And like I said earlier, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. Hood liner, that is clean. Doesn't really look like this thing's been driven in inclement weather. Under hood light even working. Look at how clean this engine bay is. There you can see that new compressor. Oh, it's pretty stock looking engine bay. Has been converted to the R134A. Wow, that is a clean engine bay. Battery disconnect for when it's in storage or in between drives. '87 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS Aerocoupe. Clean Carfax, actual miles, turnkey, ready to go. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus.
Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars,
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today we're taking a ride in the 1987 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS. Burgundy, of course. Burgundy inside, burgundy outside with some black and red accents. Very comfortable cloth bucket seats in this car. All the modern amenities of 1987. AC's blowing cold in this Monte Carlo. Automatic transmission shifted right here between the seats. Nice firm shifts from the automatic transmission. Our gauges are working. Fuel gauge showing a half a tank. The battery charging over 13 volts. And the tachometer working. Speedometer working. The temperature is approximately 160, still rising. As it should be. The oil pressure is up at 60. Stereo sounds good in this car. We have a 5-band equalizer on that stereo and a cassette player. I've only tested FM, but it's working well. Cruise control also functioning. Nice, clean, good condition. Headliner, carpet. Nice smooth ride from this car as well. No pulsation in the brakes and no pulling in the brakes. Very nice condition. Excellent power steering. The performance-oriented SS, cornering well as well. Find all the pictures of this 1987 Monte Carlo at uniqueclassiccars.com.